On Father's Day on Sunday, while many celebrated the occasion with messages and gifts, an inspiring story of an 18-year-old from Delhi has come to light. Ali Raza, who recently cleared his Class 12th examinations, gave his father something far more precious than flowers or greeting cards. He has given his father a second chance at life. The teenager donated one of his kidneys to his 49-year-old father, who was suffering from rapidly progressing kidney failure and had become dependent on dialysis while awaiting a transplant. While many regard his act as extraordinary, Ali Raza dismisses it as nothing more than a son's duty towards his father.
डिसीजन लेने में इतना वो कुछ नहीं था कि करना तो था ही किसी ना किसी को. पहले भाई ने ट्राई करा, भाई का नहीं हुआ तो फिर मुझे ही करना पड़ा और फिर हुआ ही जो होना था. जैसे सब कहते हैं कि बहुत बड़ा काम कर दिया, कुछ इतना बड़ा काम नहीं करा मैंने. हर किसी का फ़र्ज़ होता है, कोई हर जैसे मेरे भाई भी जिस वे में हेल्प कर रहा है उसने उस वे में करी, मैं जिस वे में कर सका मैंने उस वे में करी.
But for his father, accepting the donation from his youngest son was not an easy decision.
पहले तो बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब सा लगा कि सबसे छोटा बेटा है, ये एकदम कैसे होगा. लेकिन घर पे सबने समझाया, फिर बेटे ने खुद ने मुझे कन्विंस किया कि पापा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हो जाएगा. मैंने सब डॉक्टर से डिस्कस किया है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी फ्यूचर टाइम में. तो जब जाके मेरे को थोड़ा सा तसल्ली हुआ. मैं अपने बेटे से ये कहना चाहूँगा और सभी बच्चों से ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जैसे मेरे बेटे ने किया, आप अपने माँ बाप के साथ, फादर के साथ, मदर के साथ ऐसा ही करें और ऊपर वाला सबको ऐसी औलाद दे.
Doctors at Max Super Speciality Hospital in Patparganj, Delhi, who performed the transplant, said the case was particularly challenging due to incompatible blood groups between father and son. They also described it as an extraordinary act by the son.
That's a very overwhelming thing that an 18-year-old kid who just cleared his 12th exam, he came up and he said that I'll donate my kidney to my father, right? So that produces goosebumps when you think about it. And it was a challenging case because the father, who underwent a transplant, he was an ABO incompatible transplant, plus he was also having a severe cardiac anomaly in terms of that his ejection fraction was only 25% and he had severe pulmonary artery hypertension. On top of that, he had a native kidney disease which was quite bad, and the wonderful thing about this transplant was that his son, who was just 18 years old, who came up and he donated his kidney.
According to doctors, Ali Raza's selfless decision to donate his kidney to his father goes beyond a medical success story. On Father's Day, it is a powerful reminder of the depth of a child's love and sacrifice for a parent.